In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group on Google Slides. If you've ever tried to move several shapes, images, or text boxes on a slide and found yourself nudging them one by one, grouping is the simple fix. Grouping lets you treat multiple elements as a single unit so you can move, resize, and rotate them together with precision. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your phone. Make sure you're opening the presentation that contains the slide you want to edit. If your connection is spotty, give the app a moment to fully load, so every toolbar and icon appears as expected. Next, open the specific slide and tap the Edit option to enter editing mode. You'll typically see a pencil icon or an Edit button. Once you're in, the interface will shift to show the full editing toolbar. If your slide is busy, pinch to zoom in so it's easier to accurately select the items you want to group. Now select the first object. Touch and hold the element you want to start with. This could be a shape, an image, or a text box until the top bar turns blue. That blue highlight is your visual confirmation that the item is selected. If the slide scrolls instead of selecting, try a slightly longer press or tap once to focus, then press and hold. You should see a clear outline around the object when it's active. Add more objects by tapping each additional item you want to include in the group. As you tap, each selected item will show a blue outline, confirming it's part of your selection. If you accidentally pick the wrong object, tap it again to deselect before you continue. Remember, only items on the same slide can be grouped together, and you can mix types, images, shapes, and text boxes all work in the same group. With all the intended elements selected, it's time to group them. Look at the top toolbar and tap the group icon. It looks like a larger square made up of 4 smaller squares. After you tap it, those separate items become one grouped object. You'll notice that moving one moves them all, and scaling or rotating applies evenly to every element in the group. If the group icon appears disabled, double-check that you have more than one item selected and that each has the blue outline. That's all it takes. Open the app, enter Edit mode, select your first object, add the rest, and tap Group. Grouping keeps your layout consistent and saves time every time you adjust your slide design. If something doesn't look right, you can always use undo immediately to revert the last action. Happy presenting!